The development of the Internet of Things (IoT) is impossible without the creation of a decentralized environment. Tethering devices to remote servers of IT companies is only the initial, not the last stage in the evolution of the IoT. As the number of devices in any given system grows, the weaknesses of the traditional, centralized model begin to be revealed: insufficient bandwidth and vulnerability of data passing through the servers. The answer to these inefficiencies should include the construction of a multi-agent system, where each participant is endowed with greater autonomy and can perform a wider range of tasks. This trend should include the ability of a device to independently accept orders and payments for their completion, as well as engage in contracts with another device without human mediation. Ethereum's smart contracts make it possible to bring such a concept to life, but only up to certain limits due to limited bandwidth, high cost of transactions, and the lack of a common language with other blockchains, unless the developers have come up with a special bridge for a specific case. Polkadot Protocol, the flagship project of Parity Technologies and the Web3 Foundation, is best placed to realize the idea of Web 3.0 and opening the possibility of connecting millions of smart devices to the global network. Polkadot's sharding protocol provides an opportunity for inter-blockchain communication. Below we break down the reasons why the IoT industry has become one of the main beneficiaries of internetworking protocols and review the most promising IoT projects on Polkadot. Half a year after the launch of the Polkadot main network, it boasts developer recognition. According to Coingecko, at the time of this writing, Polkadot token DOT is ranked 7th among all blockchains, with a market cap of $4.15 billion and a daily trading volume approaching $100 million. These results are impressive, especially considering that the first token sale, which took place in 2017, attracted a large but incomparable with today's capitalization amount of $145 million. Such a market reaction is due to the widespread demand for an inter-blockchain protocol on behalf of developers of decentralized applications, primarily in the field of decentralized finance (DeFi). The product of the 3-year work of the Web3 Foundation solves the problems of bandwidth and scaling, due to its ability to combine different blockchains. A feature of the Polkadot protocol is the principle of sharding, which allows dividing the blockchain network into segments that act as nodes or transaction verifiers. Unlike Ethereum, where each node calculates each operation and processes each transaction, the sharding model divides tasks between nodes, allowing multiple transactions to be validated in parallel. This significantly increases the speed of transaction processing in comparison with the Ethereum network, a result causing some media outlets to dub Polkadot as its killer. According to PolkaProject, the number of projects deployed in the Polkadot network is about to approach 300, which is a third more than at the beginning of September. Although reviews of promising projects on Polkadot are becoming a feature of news outlets covering the DeFi space, the IoT sphere on Polkadot has not yet been spoiled by the attention of industry-specific media, so we decided to research Polkadot projects in this space. Unlike the DeFi segment with its 21 projects available for consideration, the IoT section offers us only 3 projects: Nodle IoT, MXC, and Robonomics. They share many similarities upon initial examination. MXC claims that its goal is building a global network for the communication of IoT devices. MXC itself, Machine Exchange Coin, is a protocol that leverages LPWAN, low power wide area network technology, an energy-efficient long-range network. Simply put, wireless technology for transmitting data among sensors. The project offers a smart bidding system for the right of sensors to access the network, as well as a data market that unites various blockchains. Similar to the other 2 projects in this space, MXC declares the goal of creating a decentralized environment for a multitude of smart devices. The number of such devices today is measured in the billions. However, the fact that a smartphone, scooter, or smart vacuum cleaner is equipped with sensors and microprocessors does not make them smart alone. In order to truly fall into this category, a device requires a permanent internet connection to receive and transmit data, as well as the ability to interact with other systems. Providing constant online access to millions of devices and sensors is not a cheap task, but it's also not a difficult one. The much more important issue is security. Devices that serve a smart home can be hacked and present a hazard, such as a kettle being turned on with no water in it. Such concerns are greatly amplified by industrial enterprises.